Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back some more Roblox, and today we're gonna be playing Brookhaven. Let's see if anyone will stop me. But first, I want to see something. See if I can get it. Since I don't have anything, stuff going on. Anyway, my stuff not popping up. Go to home. I don't know what's going on, I will say, but I'm gonna exit out of it. I'm refreshing the page right now. Oh gosh. I think I'll be able to play it. But next time I'll probably be able to play. But I don't know what to play for you guys. What should I play first? Okay. I think I have some games for you guys somewhere. But let me. Oh, fine.
Sideways though.
Guys, the next day I won't come on until 2 something because of school. I think I can do something, play something for y'all. Let's see. This is free. Let's see if it's free. This game is okay, and it's games. Let's see. Why is stuff popping off my screen? Ugh. Dude. Games. Free. This is gonna be a boring video because I have some. I'm trying to upload some. I'm going to make something so you guys can watch me play. So you guys don't have to get very bored. As you can see, to upload stuff, you have to go here. I'm gonna be showing you stuff too. You just have to go Microsoft. Like the games to download. Just downloading stuff. Try something too. I'm cold. So why am I cold? No, I'm not supposed to be bad. Anyways, if you guys want to see one of my Roblox, if you want to see a Roblox video, go on Google and type Starla Anderson, and you'll see what video it is playing Tower of Hell. Make sure you go check it out. Make sure you go comment and subscribe to it. Search. Man. Oops. This one. Wait. Minecraft. Fire. This one. Sorry if stuff is not I can't get that. But it just has to like upload. It's for free. I just want you to free stuff. Did I get it? You own this game. Starting download. It just has to download, and then probably in my next video I'll do a C3. See if I play it. Can I? Wait. Oh, no, it's downloading. Hey. Anyways, while this is downloading, I'm gonna go ahead and write my Roblox and see. I don't think I have enough time for this video because I only get 15 minutes. But I don't think this is like an hour or something. It's supposed to be an hour, but since I can't have it an hour, I need to do a lot of stuff to do for it. If you guys want to be a YouTuber, go to Google and type in screen cases and do this stuff. And it's for free, but it's for free, and a lot of stuff can be good, and you can get it for free. But make sure that you go get it for free, and you always have, and make sure you stay safe because of the reason why I'm staying safe because of COVID-19. Instead of doing Brookhaven we're gonna do the dropper. 100 plus 100 levels. Can we make it through the 100? Oh wait, where's my mouse? Oh gee, that's my mouse. I'm so sorry, guys. Since this is not like this, I'm gonna have to wait till the video ends. But for now, guys, I see you guys next time, and probably next time I will play the dropper. 100 plus stages. Can we survive the 100 plus stages? Can we do it? Sorry, guys, I couldn't put an stuff on it because it's gonna put done. But I'm gonna have to, when I'm done with this, I'm gonna have to reset, edit, and restart this all over, and then we can play the 100 plus stages. And when I'm done resetting my computer, I could go in here. This could stay on, but I have to wait till this done. But for now, I'm gonna pretty much stay here. As you guys can see, I'm going to be talking about myself, myself a bit while this ends. So, guys, as you can tell, this is not really my computer. This is my mom's computer. It's just her name is Charlotte Anderson, and that's my mom's name. And no, my name's not Charlotte. My name's Marina May Anderson. So I'm 8 years old. My birthday is in October 21st, which is 2012. It's right now 2021. I always wanted to be a ballerina or a YouTuber, so I decided to be a YouTuber.